Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to make lentil soup, and this one is requested, and I love to do those ones. So we are going to make a very popular restaurant style soup. So let's get started. For this recipe we need lentil. So I'm using about a cup. 1 cup is enough. The ingredients are very simple. We need diced onion, turmeric, salt to taste, chicken stock, and the main spice for the soup is black pepper. So let's get started. So we are going to saute the onions, adding some oil. Onions. While the onions are being sauteed, we are going to wash the lentil and make sure you wash it well. So we got the onions sauteed and we're going to add spices. I forgot to mention I'm going to add garlic as well. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons. And adding all the spices now. Black pepper, it's about 1 tablespoon. Turmeric, it's 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. And the chicken stock. So we mix everything for 1 minute. And now we're adding the lentil. And mix it. And let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And just make sure the water is above the lentil. And also, if you want it more soupy, you can always add more water. So it's definitely up to you how you like it. I always add some extra water at the end if I like it more liquidy, let's say. Soup is ready. Just a small tip, if you do not like to see onions, you can use white onions, Spanish onions. The reason I use this one because that's all I have at home, but mostly I use Spanish because you don't see the onions. I hope you guys all enjoyed this amazing simple recipe. This is really healthy. It tastes super good with some butter and some naan. Perfect for any appetizers before your food. Absolutely amazing. So we're just gonna try this for you because my husband always wants me to try out my food on the camera, which I'm not too comfortable with, but I'll do it for him. So let's
because the viewers want to know how it tastes.
Yeah. It's really nice. It has that nice kick from the black pepper. I love it. Be sure to subscribe, share, follow my Instagram at Sahar's Life 1. Until next time, ciao.